Hello, my lovely people. It is Cherise, and welcome to the first video of 2022. I hope you are all having a wonderful start of the year. I am so glad to be back again after a short break from YouTube, although I'm still quite in the holiday mode. So today I just wanted to do a relaxing video to start the year off. In this video, I'm excited to be doing a stationery haul featuring the washi tape shop. They kindly sent over some of their artist collaboration washi tape collections to try out. I will show you a closer look of each tape so you can see the designs and intricate details. I will also be swatching them on my journal so you can see how they look on a white paper. The first set we have is called In Bloom. This 5-piece collection is part of their artist collaboration, which is an awesome project. This one is designed by Sophie of Opal and Fern on Instagram. I actually just found her through this project and I immediately fell in love with this set as soon as it was released. I really love how this brings joy. These designs are inspired by flowering gardens and vintage ephemera with colors that reminds me of spring and summer. I really like the print on these washi tapes. It has great quality. These washi tapes and other original designs, by the way, has a backing paper unlike the washi tapes in my collection. This is to protect the prints and to also allow easier and cleaner cuts. Now here is how they look on a white paper. I think my favorites from this set would be the floral design with green background and the strawberries. But this is really a lovely collection overall. The next set we have here is the Savory Pastel grid washi tapes. This has 10 rolls of regular sized washi tapes. Now this is not part of the artist collaboration project, but I absolutely love the basic design with neutral, muted colors. Speaking of the artist collaborations, I recommend checking out the Washi Tape Shop website. The link is provided in the description box below to see more stunning collections from the artists involved and the stories behind their designs. And as always, if you're interested to purchase something from their shop, my affiliate code Cherise10 will give you 10% off. Alright, moving on to the third set is called The Spring Memories by Anna of Journal Away here on YouTube and on Instagram. I've been following Anna for a while now and I truly admire her elegant art style. Looking at her designs in this particular set gave me a sense of peace and calmness, and they perfectly portray the memories of spring. Apart from the beautiful design of this set, I love that it has gold gilding as well, which gave such a nice touch. The final set we have here is the Academia, again designed by Anna of Journal Away. I love how she described this collection as inspired by the dark corners of an old library, the smell of aged books, love letters, and slow afternoons spent listening to classical music. This definitely go well for vintage decorations on your journals or for scrapbooking. The variations here are absolutely gorgeous. I just love literally everything about this collection. The biggest compliment I could give with these washi tapes is how every detail in the designs, even the smallest one, is captured beautifully and the prints are of premium quality. I cannot wait to use these in my journal in the future. And that is everything we have in the box. I hope you enjoyed this stationery haul with the washi tape shop. I would love to know in the comments what were your favorites in the collections I've shown you here. What designs do you usually prefer to use or maybe add to your own collection? Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and stay safe wherever you are. And I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone!